Welcome back to As in the Heart on top of the Chairman Television Station, Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of Go TV cable. Ezugu Chukudi Anuku with the inside studio, and we will discuss all of the Ogbonge Tori when we carry come this week, plus the current ones where we say they cause plenty discussion inside our nation's politics. And it gets one particular story when we discuss before we go that small break. This one get to do with the arrest of some kind of people when we say they're very high position for the government for Imo State, and if you call them the guys of Governor Rochas Okorocha. EFCC they carry out investigation, say about 2 billion naira when we say na bailout money. Say it be like say they don't know as the money take get K-leg take waka. Oga Lozier from Enugu don't come back to our telephone line. Oga Lozier, good morning and welcome back to As in the Heart.
Hey, Chokodi. See, after the time again, I say about SS phone or something of that nature. You know, say SS phone is just getting complicated. Like after they talk that time, the guy is called the person at the parental problem or something situation or problem. We make that guy enter into the situation. But for me, I'm not believing a parental problem caused that guy. Do you understand? Because that guy, men look at that guy, or men, if you observe what police are doing on top of that guy, you say, that guy, if I say you do to collect that girl, you understand? And now, they start say, Emir guy just closed that girl for more than, for some months or for some, let's say for some months. And that for some months, I hear say now, that girl they pregnant, 5 months pregnant. Why since that time, the first day, the woman, mother, go Kaduna to bring that girl, they don't agree to carry that girl. Now, they don't cause that girl to carry 5 months pregnancy. What is the game? Those Emir and the police people, where they say they will look into the matter, until this girl can't carry pregnancy. 5 months pregnancy now to the hometown. What is the game?
Oga, thank you very much for this your important contribution. And this question when you don't ask, that question when we say don't open new page for this particular matter, because 2 days ago the gist will come out and say the girl they 5 months pregnant, and this one don't even raise the thing go higher. Say aside from the fact say the guy married girl when they underage, now he be saying not get what people they call carnal knowledge of this girl when we say never reach the age of 18, and now the girl don't carry belly. Just be like Pekin, they carry Pekin. Wetin go be the situation? Wetin go be the next one when go come out from this particular situation? Our police people don't talk say they go do everything to use ensure say they get to the root of this matter. But plenty Nigerians don't come and come talk say before the thing grow finish, we come they look for the root. Why we not do the right thing from the very start? These are questions when we say we go still they ask, and we expect the people when we say they will give us all the answers to give us all the answers so that Nigerians will get confidence for all our relevant agencies.
Still on this matter, I just somehow see this matter as a blessing in disguise, because you just like say this particular essay matter don't do anything. Don't they open more this thing to other information where we say we gets to do with abduction, because we don't, and that one the trend right now where we say and that girl from the south so they saw abduct, carry go one of those northern and the Sokoto to be precise. So if these things, if this essay matter, don't they open up more this thing, more doors, more this thing, don't they expose us to a lot of other things where they happen? Then at least it is the height, it is right, it is something we need to address on time, so that at least our laws go fit come in place, because we don't always talk and say you get an appropriate age where person they reach. We get Oga Bobby they call us from Amsterdam. Good morning, Oga Bobby.
Good morning. I greet you now.
We greet you, Oga Bobby.
The one I want just touch now this small girl matter again.
Yes.
You know, the girl matter. The girl be at the day surprised to say the thing really take long time to sort this thing out. Even now, to sort out finish me at least by now I'm supposed to know the whole story. But at the day surprise, the story now the gas it be the twist to left and right. You know. So maybe they try and sort the thing out, and then maybe they do thorough investigation. There'll be more cases like that when we say it happened when we don't know of.
Very true. Oga Bobby, make I ask you one question.
Yeah.
Now, according to waiting other information when don't come out, like you get one particular girl now when we say they say in family talk say they abduct them, carry her go the palace of the Emir of Kano, and so Sultan of Sokoto say na there she dey now. So somehow it just be like say for our society This kind of thing they happen underground, but we don't know, or people know they put eye on top. What be those things where you think say we as a people, and even we fit do for inside our laws to make them really very, very difficult for this kind of thing to they happen. Make it not be say now until one case enter public eye, now everybody will go chook eye inside the matter.
First of all, if you look at you will see and say now that side, that northern side there, now this case they happen from. You know, they get that belief say yes, they child marriage na their religion culture thing. You see also then the problem where they come from, the major problem. You know, then the aspect of say the Emir of Kanu to keep under man picking, under woman picking for say the palace. Yeah, that a disgrace first for a disgrace. Say yes, say if you take another person picking, put for inside palace, when you know say another person picking, okay, this picking, they say the parents they look for the picking. You're not supposed to hand over that to the police or the authorities to sort them out, to remove his name, because if you look at me, they give his name bad name too. Those are the things that when you're supposed to look, they give yourself a bad name. Say yes, say this thing that happen, then you have to just sort them out because you are a figure to them. So you go sort the thing out, you go call the people, you go tell them, say, the parents, they look for this Pekino, this is how you're supposed to give out to the Pekino. You meet the parents, if the Pekino will follow yourself or anything, you approach the parents, and when the Pekino follow you, reach out, say, on a daughter day, you enable them to get rest of mind. Okay, you know, because you know Nigeria be now. Story say Pekin die for year, you go the worries say they don't kill him. You know, so all those kind of worries, you will give the parents that kind of something relief. Say, okay, the Pekin see their life, so they will come down. So okay, how to approach to get their Pekin back.
Very true.
Those are the things that when they're supposed to do, you know, as the Emir of Kanu supposed to do that one, but for to keep the Pekin for palace, it's very, very wrong.
Thank you very much for this your important contribution. You don't make them very, very clear. Say it go there very good. Make all the people when we say they involved for this particular case now come out, give their own side of the story, so that Nigerians will get rest of mind. Like you talk, the Emir of Kanu na person when we say everybody they look up to for our society because of the position winning day. And if he can't be like say he had there inside this kind of thing, and we don't know the true position of the thing, a lot of Nigerians then go the day very, very worried. And like you don't talk, perception say this thing they normal for one particular part of the country. Now something when we say we need to correct because Pekin and Pekin future we need to safeguard them and secure them. We get Chidi. They call us all the way from Owerri. Oga Chidi, good morning and welcome to Ask Idi Hot.
Chukwudi, my brother, how on the day?
Good morning, Chidi.
Fine, Oga Chidi.
Yeah, now for Reuters Okoro time the monitoring, I'm a one.
Feel free. Give us correct information because Nadia you call us from.
My brother, this thing has been burning. I know one local newspaper down here, Watchdog, that have already experienced this. This thing has been exposed to them, and what they did in order to cover their guiltiness, they took the young guy, one of the editors or the owner of
the newspaper company.
God, Precious Wadike. This is too bad. A lot of pensioners are dying in Imo State. They are not being paid their pension. They are not being paid their gratuity. Talk more of workers. The governor have deceived us. A lot of things are happening. Again, the problem EFCC, I've never seen them follow any case, theological conclusion, and come out real to tell us the truth. I pray they get to the root of this because Imo State is hell now. A lot of people are suffering. The governor doesn't care.
Oga Chidi,
my brother.
May I ask you this question? Since Nano say yes, una elect Oga Rochas in the first place, and Nano say okay, things no they go the way it's supposed to go. Somehow, I see some corruption they play out there. What till now they do as members of that state, as people, as indigenous of that state, to at least come out, come speak up, so at least governor will also know say yes, so no be and get the state. Say he get people where they rule. Which steps I don't also take? Because now also which steps I don't take?
A lot of things has been done. Protest, even the court where they carry that guy go. A lot of civil society and press guys came in defense of the guy. The government no they even obey rule of law. No be and go close many secretariats. He sacked a lot of workers. You saw what happened when NLC have to come and compel him to bring them back. It's only his family and him
that takes the whole thing in Imo State. The House of Assembly, they even rubber stamps. They are not doing anything. No local government election since he took over.
Ogachiri, thank you very much for this
I'm not a government worker.
But it go good make we emphasize say all of these allegations they unfounded. That is to say, no proof whatsoever. Because the EFCC self they conduct their own investigation and they talk say when they finish they go charge the 3 people go court. But we appreciate your contribution. Emmanuel, they call us all the way from Ogun State. Emma, good morning and welcome to Asi the Heart.
Emmanuel, good morning. Emmanuel, you there?
Okay, Emmanuel, we thank you for your patience and we dey very, very sorry say we no get the time to take your call, but we go like make you call us back so that you go fit make your contribution if you get the chance. Like wetin Ogachiri don talk, Ogachiri don also open another new page for this particular issue because he talk say the State House of Assembly na like rubber stamp in trying to answer the question wey could be asked about say how wetin them they do as people wey come for the state. It go dey very, very important. We go point them out say if we elect people to represent us for government, they must ensure say those wey they accountable and they responsible. Responsible in the fact say that they do wetin they elect them to do, and accountable say wetin we don't entrust them with. Our money wey belong to all of us, they go make sure say they spend them wisely and they no spend them anyhow. Like he give instance, he talk say workers dey when we say they never collect their salary, pensioners dey when we say they suffer well. But if we go dey get this particular case, say just 3 people when they very, very big position. Take for example, one na principal secretary to the state governor, the other one na treasurer, the other one na director of finance. These na 3 people when we say if we talk about money for the state as the thing they go, then go sabi plenty information about them. If we go dey finger them for this kind of particular issue, say 2 billion naira when we say na bail out when government give them, it don't show say government they very, very big. And if we look government when they center they talk say we want make this government do well, we go also they watch the ones when they under, so that if the one when they center carry money give them, they no go spend the money anyhow.
And apart from that, Seth, and that we go also need to tell ourselves, say, see, abject poverty dey in some society. But for us to come, they say we dey throw in money for areas where we say where we say in the first place, you no even call for. You understand? Now, you know they right. We get Oga Uche, they call us from Badagry. Good morning, Oga Uche. Uche, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Please, I want to talk about the girl matter. The girl
okay, FC matter, they hear you.
My own contribution is that girl they take to Kano. They keep it to Emir house. That is Salusi. So if Salusi is the owner of that thing, he is going to keep the girl in her own custody till that time, or is he going to find her or what?
Now, question you ask, and well, now something where we say you don't throw open for Nigerians to also address. Now you don't open the question. Now the only question you want to ask with that is, I mean, still get what you want to talk.
Okay, and the policeman, they report to Port Harcourt since how many months now? He never take action. He they say when the time reach, because the woman don't used to go that place. That is why he leave them for that long. If you're your own daughter, you know, go find them like serious, like as the woman they come, you know, take them and stay if you're your own, as it for your own body, you leave them because another person, you not consign them. That's why you leave them.
Thank you very much for this your important contribution. And waiting you don't raise a very, very important issue. You don't talk, say, make these people place themselves for the position.
Issue, yes.
Make them see, say, if not them be the parents, waiting exactly them go do. Emmanuel, they call us back from Ogun State, and we hope say this time around, impatience don't pay off. Oga Ima, good morning and welcome to Ask Ide Hot.
Mr. Jobu, good morning.
Yes, good morning, Emmanuel.
So now hold up in Pazwa in Lagos. So I want concerning the essay issue for all the topic since. I want to make one thing. I know that this Nigeria, last time when I call, I said that the law where they are applicable for South, not they are applicable for North.
Okay.
The reason why they talk this day, as the reason that Sharia did outside, the reason I did the honor for that side, being maybe from Islamic region, therefore I advise the government with one strong law. Where they say this law is applicable for North and South concerning underage marriage. Any man or woman where this country they say it will not be young, will not be where they have. The man or the woman should be questioned. They should question them. There should be a strong law because with that they will still regulate this undermarriage both for North and for South.
Okay, Emmanuel, we don't get your. don't be say we get law where they protect interest of all these people. Don't be say the law they already. But the question can be say why we say some certain people or some certain region go on make their own this thing or their own decision over when the law is supposed to protect us as a country. You understand?
Yes.
The laws are there. Now for us to do it, follow the law, implement them the right way we're supposed to implement them. A typical example now, the IG of police will say, we're saying go need to take an excuse or saying they communicate with the emir. Waiting, which one they more this thing? Now for you to follow the national law, for you to just say, still want to take order from somebody will say, where a particular girl they under her custody. You understand?
Yeah,
now the law should play out in this case when they protect a country.
Because actually, as you talk, me, I know see it. But the thing, Nigerians don't say that kind of law in existence for this country. You know, it's 30% of Nigerians we know now. Mm-hmm. You know, it's 30% of Nigerians. So make this law, make everybody understand, say this law there exists. So that person don't just carry under my picking, go out, they say na marriage, or marriage. Say marriage not by force. Then concerning Imo State again, Russia and Co. You see, I don't say talk this whole thing, say corruption in a state of mind. This corruption will Buhari they fight. They're supposed to have this corruption from each family. Corruption does not for Nigeria. Corruption don't enter each home. So if we want to eradicate or resist corruption, we go start from each home. Rochas Okorocha and his guys, they are not saints. I don't know why they go, or I should ask them from Imo State, why they never report to the appropriate authorities. So that they will carry their investigation. Because this is all this corruption don't kill Nigeria finish.
Okay, thank you very much for this your important contribution. And we dey happy you say just like every other person, you support the anti-corruption campaign of this our government. We get Friday, they call us all the way from Abuja this Friday. Oga Friday, welcome to As It Hot.
Yeah. Good morning, my brothers.
Good morning, Friday.
Yeah, you people are doing great too.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, I joined this program yesterday. I was following up.
Okay.
And with what is happening in Nigeria, maybe I will not take it personal. It's as if there is another country exists inside this country. Because some kind of things are happening that some people who are in position doesn't say it. They only say different things. I start from this issue of this girl that was adopted from Bayelsa. When I was listening to the program in AIT this morning, everybody who is talking, if is in the other side where the boy come from, is speaking siding the boy. And concern what is happening in Ogatu, they invite 3 people today to AIT. 2 people were from the other side of the government. They are not speaking in the favor of people who they are killing. They are just siding the Fulani people. And the president who say is fighting insurgents, corruption, is not doing anything. They are just concerned in Meduguri. Why they complete Meduguri? To me, they are all Boko Haram. Because if they are not all Boko Haram will not be coming through there.
Oga Friday, thank you very much for this your important contribution. But it go good. Make we also emphasize, say, na fallacy of generalization to say these people will come from this particular place. Now like this, them be, and we no support that kind of particular talk. We respect the fact, say you get your opinion and you don't express yourself. But we believe, say, as a people, if collectively we talk, say we want pursue terrorism and insecurity come up for our country, now our hard work. We thank you very much. Maybe we go this small break. When we go come back, we'll continue our discussion as it get to do with all the Ogbonge Tori when we collect this week. Now still As It Completer. Welcome back to As It Hot. From here where we stand so at the final bus stop. Now we see on top of this episode and also this week. As we do every Friday, the Jollof and Asepo edition with a touch of small chops. We discuss all of the Ogbonge Tori wey we carry come this week. And we take your phone call to hear what you get to talk about all of this matter them and your important contribution. Nkubi, e get some kind of important stories when we say we need to touch here. When we say if we no touch am, the thing go there somehow. We need to touch am, make everybody know say it is important say we touch am. And this one get to do with what we discussed yesterday with the security expert Oga Frank Onyorigo about security for inside our country. He may talk one important thing. He talk say when we talk about security, not be just the work of government or just the work of people when wear uniform. Say na collective effort. He talks say make we bring back that Gbebonu, Tatafo and Chuki eye behavior. Security, that is to say, you go to watch out for your neighbor go to watch out for you because now you be the nearest police of your neighbor. And
but for that thing to play out, the issue of trust go first enter in the mind of everybody. Because if trust no dey, Gbebonu to say you want to take Gbebonu to protect, no go work.
No, but I think that rather than trust first, it's supposed to be safety. Because I don't need make you trust me. Because if it happen to you, it just be like say your house they burn. If your house they burn and I don't come out to do what I feel do to rescue am, my own house self go burn. So first and foremost, if I ensure say your safety there, I don't need to trust. We don't need to be friend. You be my neighbor. I need because come on. If they like take for example now, they come inside these guys when they go up and down, they come inside your house.
Hey, please, Chukudi. You said enough.
It's an example.
You don't first say take the house of the example of say if my house they burn, I accept that one. I keep quiet for you.
Your house will go burn.
I say an example. Now you can't even go further to say.
I won't give the one where they clear where everybody they relate to.
Okay, make I relate them to you.
Now my example.
If those people where they normally are major visitors for night come invade your own house.
Thank you very much.
Your room, as a matter of fact.
Thank
even
you.
Your bedroom.
Thank you.
Where you and your wife dey.
Thank you. And they can't see big television. They go know say automatically you will be my neighbor, you'll get small television. I think that's what you want to hear. No, that's what you want to hear.
Oga Onimisi, good morning. Mind yourself.
No, the people that want you want hear.
Mind yourself.
Okay, Oga Onimisi.
Good morning, Onimisi. Onimisi, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Yeah, I beg, raise your voice up small.
I greet you. Oga Nkubi, I greet you.
Would they greet you?
Oga Chukwudi, the only analyst that has a military background, I greet you.
We cut cap give you, Oga Onimisi.
Now, this is a matter I want you to come out.
Feel free.
For this country, there's another country inside this country. Assume me say, now inside my papa, they can't see AC. Nigeria police, they don't practice their profession for my head. But also say, now where they see the girl, now one of the Nigerian carcass, believe it or you leave it, we have carcass inside in this country.
So Oga Onimisi,
yes?
What do we go feed do? Like you don't already talk up, say they clear. Say if na small man the thing happen to, police go don't show say they sabi their work. But because of saying a big man, what do we go feed do to get society when we say all of us go there equal before the law? Now our country.
So I see sorry, but really now our country, like the only thing when we go feed to make this our leaders, really like Oga Solomon now say he want to take permission from somebody before he go do anything. Are you subject to that person or that person is subject to you? What are we saying? Now we practice our profession. Whether he's been indicted, do the needful. If he's guilty, he should be penalized irrespective of his status in the community.
But okay.
Right now, I really know that we are all equal in this country.
Very true.
Come out and say everybody is equal before any law. No.
Very true.
You guys did one program the other day. Big man, big bill, and a poor man, big jail. So now the other side of the vote is going to take place now.
Oga Onimisi, thank you very much for this your important contribution. Quick one, we get Oge. She they call us all the way from Surulere. I hope say na she. Make I no make mistake. Oge, good morning and welcome to Aside Hot.
Oge, good morning.
Oge, you there yet? It be like say the network no gree Oge make in contribution. But this is when Oga Onimisi don't talk now, very, very important thing. And it go good make we address this particular issue. Remember, say on top of Aside Hot, the program will belong to everybody. We carry topic, he just use the topic, give example. Big man, big bail, small man, big jail. Why he be say when he reach for the average or ordinary Nigerian, the law, now that time the law go come no say he get power.
Take effect immediately, 24 rapid effect, rapid judgment, rapid penalty.
No, they know they waste time.
But once you don't reach a big man level, they go they pen until the case go forgot. I made them put fine on top of their eye. Fine way say they will not say they will fair afford. Play them immediately, give them the matter go dey forgotten. Na so it be. But the thing we say, just as the major thing we need to look, we say, we need to address issues from the root problem. Because now when we see the root problem, we go fit talk say, okay, see where they come from. So as we take address the future. We get a caller right now. They call us from Jos. Abi, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. What is your name and where they call us? I mean, what is your name, brother?
Chukudi calling from Jos.
Okay, good. I got Chukudi. Good morning.
Thank you. My contribution based on the matter when I talked yesterday.
Okay.
You see, the Obonge guests who have been carried come, they talk something about our parents. I think the relationship with parents and their children is a big problem today because parents don't carry eye check for money and they can't come out eye for where their children
them day.
Because if you look what happened with that girl, the gap there between she and the parents. For say the parents, they get good rapport with them, with the baby. She feel they tell them, see the problem where she get. If she get any challenge, she go share with them. But because they don't put eye for money, it not be their fault though, because the economy, we go blame the economy small.
But I got you good, you.
And all those things.
I got you good. And what if now parents will be say they play their role well, but Pikin no agree here?
So you go they pray for them. You think no days. You think no days. But what I try to talk, we say the relationship between
parents and then yes,
we suppose work on them because this issue of money matter, the economy, we don't really create some kind of space.
Gap.
Parents and children.
Oga Chukudi, thank you very much for this your important contribution. You don't address one particular issue, whether we like them or not. If we address the issue of maybe the girl picking for inside Obodo Nigeria or security, everybody get role to play. Papa and Pikin relationship, Pikin and outsider relationship, Papa and neighbor relationship, government and everybody get role to play. And you don't address one particular one. Say, go good, make parents build healthy relationship with their children them, so that children go feel confined in them. Tell them some kind of things when we say they no go fit, they no go they wait until they go tell friend or tell anybody when they for outside. It go very, very important make we put our country first. Anytime when we say issues they affect all of us. Like this particular incident will happen for my 12. This one I want when they very, very sad. And just like my 12 case, it happen for different parts of this country. But most times when they look say God go protect us, waiting back no go reach our domot. But if it can't come out, waiting go happen. So if we not begin to address all these issues, these things that is when we say go come out tomorrow, can they affect us? We get Oga Chukudi, they call us all the way from Jos. Just na place when we say, if we check out somehow in the recent past, the history about say religious crisis, now something when we say it don't dey very, very popular, or communal clashes. Now, what do we feel do to ensure say our society and society when we say everywhere for our society, even though I dey worship this particular, I dey do this particular religion, all of us know say we dey worship one God, or I come from this particular place, all of us know say we be Nigerians, we go feel live together in peace.
Yeah, so living together in peace now be the major thing, and that is why at least after as we always talk, make we hold the people where we left account, make we hold them account on how they take do it, on how they take roles. Now if we hold them responsible, say okay, see what not supposed to do, at least we go feel say yes, we they move forward. Then say go feel say okay, they get responsibility where they supposed to play for our own life as leaders. So now so we collectively they seek for, and we also here say we know say our government people they hear us, and at least make they also do it, make them follow the due process of leading the people well and leading them very well.
Very, very true. All the people who call us on top of the program today, we really appreciate you. Now those when we say try call, but the thing no connect, make una no vex. Those when they hang for the phone line before we can't take them, I beg una go. They very, very patient with us because we need to hear everything when everybody get to talk. When they talk and say Nigeria and our country, no go spoil. Make all of us join our hand together to move this our country forward. Time don't reach for us to lock our shop, carry key go, but our ear go day ground. All the action to the way make news for this weekend. We'll carry and come on Monday. Take the nylon on top, come discuss them. Until we come back on Monday. Una bye bye.
Now you get big TV, Abi. You take yourself there.
No, it was an example. I did do example. You cut my example.
They take me, they do.
What did the best?
Just enjoy the video they want to just watch. Make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.